Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping automatic sleep. Open settings and go to display and brightness. Tap auto lock and set it to never. This tells iOS not to lock the screen after a timeout. Once done, make sure your device is charging if you expect long use, because never prevents sleep and uses more battery. You're changing a system timer. That's the why. Stay in settings briefly to confirm the change, and then move on to app-specific overrides so nothing retriggers automatic off. Next, ensure no focus mode or power setting reverses your auto-lock choice. Open settings right arrow focus and inspect each mode. Turn off any options that dull screen or reduce interruptions, because those can trigger different screen behavior. Then open settings right arrow battery and make sure low power mode is off. Low power enforces sleep to save charge. Also, check individual apps that manage display. Once you adjust focus and power, your never setting stays effective, and your screen remains awake as intended. Finish by restarting your iPhone so all settings apply cleanly. A reboot often resolves lingering conflicts. If the screen still turns off, update iOS in settings right arrow general right arrow software update, because bugs can reintroduce timeouts. As a last resort, use reset right arrow reset all settings to restore defaults without erasing data. Only do this if other steps fail. Troubleshooting tip. If settings revert, check for mobile device management profiles or supervised modes, which can force auto-lock remotely and require admin removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.